Welcome to today's update on the cotton markets from North India. As of September 30th, cotton prices have held steady across key North Indian states, including Punjab, Haryana, and Rajasthan. This stability is largely due to limited demand from spinning mills, even as daily arrivals of new kapas have shown a noticeable uptick. Globally, cotton futures on the ICE market closed lower last Friday. The December 2024 futures contract dipped by 0.30 cents to settle at 72.72 cents per pound, while the March 2025 contract fell by 0.25 cents, ending at 74.52 cents. The May 2025 contract also slipped, losing 0.26 cents to close at 75.61 cents. However, in today's electronic trading session, cotton prices have begun to rise, offering some optimism. Traders in North India attribute the local price stability to cautious purchasing by spinning mills, as they monitor the consistent increase in new kapas arrivals. Favorable weather conditions have supported this trend, and industry insiders expect arrivals to peak with even better quality cotton by mid-October. As a result, many spinning mills and ginners are adopting a wait-and-watch approach. In terms of daily arrivals, Haryana has seen about 1,800 bales of cotton enter the mandis, while Rajasthan reported 1,000 bales. In Adampur Mandi, Haryana, new cotton was traded at 5,800 rupees per mond. Turning to cottonseed prices, they have remained stable, with rates in Punjab and Haryana ranging between 3,400 rupees and 3,700 rupees per quintal. In Upper Rajasthan, prices ranged from 3,450 rupees to 3,900 rupees per quintal. Spot delivery prices for cotton in Punjab are currently quoted between 5,775 rupees and 5,800 rupees per mound, which translates to 55,000 rupees to 55,200 rupees per candy. In Haryana, spot prices are slightly lower, ranging between 5,675 rupees and 5,700 rupees per mond, or 54,000 rupees to 54,300 rupees per candy. Upper Rajasthan has seen spot prices range between 5,775 rupees and 5,900 rupees per mond, equivalent to 55,000 rupees to 56,200 rupees per candy. Meanwhile, in Lower Rajasthan, spot delivery prices have edged slightly higher, with rates between 56,300 rupees and 56,500 rupees per candy. As we move into October, the cotton market will likely see further developments as demand, arrivals, and quality factors play out. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest market trends and analysis.